The Environment and Climate Change Canada has issued a tropical storm possible alert for Western British Columbia. These counties are County of Yale, County of Westminster, County of Victoria, County of Vancouver, County of Prince Rupert, County of Nanaimo, County of Kootenay, and the County of Caribou. At 6:41 p.m. a tropical storm was near the British Columbia coast, 100,000 miles away from Victoria, Canada. Please be prepared until further notice.
The National Weather Service has issued a tropical storm watch. For northern Washington state, this includes the city of Port Roberts, and the major city of Seattle, and the Alaskan Panhandle. A tropical storm was located 100 miles away from Victoria, Canada. Please be prepared.
The Environment Canada has issued a tropical storm warning for Western British Columbia. These counties are the County of Yale, the County of Westminster, the County of Victoria, County of Vancouver, County of Prince Rupert, County of Caribou, County of Kootenay, and County of Nanaimo. At Friday 10 p.m. the tropical storm was headed east, but now it's heading west to British Columbia. The Environment Canada and the National Weather Service are preparing an evacuation. At this time, the United States is also sending an alert. Please prepare. Evacuate immediately.
The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a tropical storm warning for the north coast of Washington state. This includes the city of Seattle, and Port Roberts, and the Alaskan Panhandle. At this time we are sending an evacuation notice. At this time Canada is also sending an alert. Please be prepared. Evacuate immunity.
Stop. Act now. Evacuate immunity. Hurricane George is a Category 5 now. It will make landfall in 1 hour. Please be prepared. The city of Vancouver, along with the city of Victoria, will be destroyed. You cannot be staying here at the city. The city will be destroyed along with your life. This is a dangerous situation. Evacuate now.
Stop. Act now. Evacuate immunity. Hurricane George is a Category 5 now. It will make landfall in 1 hour. Please be prepared. The city of Seattle Port Roberts will be destroyed. If you live in Olympia, Washington, evacuate. If you live in Olympia, head south. If you live in Seattle, head east. If you live in Port Roberts, head north. This is a dangerous situation. It can destroy the city of Seattle and Port Roberts. Olympia will be severely damaged. Evacuate now.
This is administrative message from the Governor of British Columbia. Do not return home. Everything in Western British Columbia is devastated. The destroyed cities are Vancouver and Victoria. And the cities in British Columbia, you're going to have to live in Alberta or Yukon, as everything is devastated. We will now be playing the British Columbia National Anthem.
This is an administrative message from the Washington government. Do not return home. You're going to have to live in Idaho, California, Nevada, or Oregon. Seattle and Port Roberts are destroyed. Olympia is severely damaged. Do not return home. We will play the Washington National Anthem and the Alaska National Anthem.
Washington, my home, wherever I may roam. This is my land, my native land, Washington, my home. Our verdant forest green, caressed by silvery